Hi lovelies, and welcome back to another video. Today's look is basically going to be a peachy look with some fake freckles. Did I even say that right? Fake freckles and a fringe that I got off from eBay. So we're going to start off with BB cream. I'm using the color Light here. The BB creams basically, they change into your skin color and they usually contain SPF in it, and it's just more of a lighter feel on your face and it's a little bit less heavier than foundation basically. So now we're going to blend that all in. Please do not forget your neck and the side of your face, basically where your ears are, your forehead, just blend that all in. I'm gonna blend again, but this time with a beauty blender. This just kind of get rid of all those brush marks that sometimes a brush can leave. And look, oh, voila. Time for concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Well, I said that so slow. This concealer is really creamy and it's really nice. If you look, it just blends. I don't know, it just blends like ice cream. Is that even a saying? Like, can I say that? So next for my eyebrows, I'm just going to brush them out. I'm not going to pencil them at all. I'm just going to go in with a clear mascara brush and just make them fluffy. Please don't judge the color of my clear mascara. It's brown. I know it's labeled clear because it is clear, but my one's brown because like I've been brushing my brows with it when I pencil my brows, so that's why. Now I'm going in with my eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette, I actually got it from Slovakia, Bratislava, when I went to go visit in Christmas last year. This brush, I know it's labeled 10-piece kabuki brush, and a lot of my brushes are going to be labeled 10-piece kabuki brush because it literally came as like a set, and it's such a good set. I actually got it on Groupon. I don't know if it's still there. I don't know if the deal's still there, but their brushes are like really good. Now that I got the base colour on, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Star in Your Eyes palette and then just darken it a little more. Unfortunately, this palette is discontinued, but I know you can still get it on certain websites. This was actually gifted to me, so I'm actually not sure if this is limited edition or not. So how is everyone doing recently because of this whole pandemic? I don't know, I just felt like 2020 has been it's just been full of events, let's say, and it's the weather has just been amazing in London. This is like the year that summer was actually summer, and it's the time when everyone is in lockdown. It's just crazy. Going back to my base colour, I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. This just enhances the eyes and makes it look a little bit larger. But don't go too crazy, because sometimes it can make you look like you got eye bags. Going in with a pointy brush, I'm going to grab some glitter. I actually didn't realise this wasn't as strong as I thought. I should have sprayed my brush with setting spray first and then dipped it in. So I had to pack it on. But tell yourself, you can never have too much glitter. So keep going, basically. Time to bring the whole look together. I'm using Life's a peach blush. This actually smells really nice. It smells peachy. Using a big fluffy brush, you're not trying to contour here. You're basically trying to fluff out, just soften your face, soften your cheekbones, soften your nose, and just soften your facial features. As you can see in my last videos, I did use a contour brush. This is just a big fluffy brush to really just fluff it out. Time for the freckles. So I actually switched pencil during the freckling. This one wasn't as pointy as I thought. It was actually quite splodgy, so I went in with my eyebrow brush, not my eyebrow brush, my eyebrow pencil, and I just did dots and twists, dot twist, dot twist, and it created this really nice soft brown freckle look. And then you're going to basically soften it out again, but this time with a little bit of bronze. Remember, you're not trying to contour too much, you're not trying to chisel your face features, you want it nice and soften out. Going back with the blush, you're going to use it again. Remember, this is the base of the look. This is basically one more layer on top of your freckles to make it really look like the freckles is part of your skin. Okay, time for the best bit, the glow. I'm using a cream highlighter. This makes it look a little bit more natural on the skin, and plus you don't want to overdo it just yet. So I'm just dabbing on my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead and my chin, just to kind of make it look like I was in the sun for a bit. I was sunbathing, catching that golden hour glow. Do you know what I mean? I just want to look peachy. Okay, time for the proper glow. I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter. I actually got this in New York, America. This was when Wet n Wild wasn't even in UK yet, and I saw it in America, and I was like, I have to get something from the Wet n Wild. From the Wet n Wild? Well, I had to get something from them, and I ended up picking up their highlighter, and it was actually a really good buy. With the lashes, I was stuck between two. I decided to go for more of the spikier look. This actually makes your eyes look a little bit more dolly. Ladies, please remember to cut your lash strips to the correct length of your eyeline. Do you know why? Because I've done this too many times. I have experienced so many different eye shapes because they were either too short or too long for me. I'm telling you, you do not want no oblong, weird looking eye shape. Once you're finished, add a little bit of mascara and then curl your lashes together. This will basically blend your natural lashes with the fake lashes so that you can avoid having two sets of lashes, one going up and one going straight. Time to apply some eyeliner. I recommend using brown liner, but I didn't have any, that's why I shook my head. Going to do a flick, but also using the eyeliner to also cover the eyelash glue, because the eyelash glue is white, so you don't want that kind of showing when you look down, because I've seen that too many times as well, and we need to avoid that. How I usually do my eyeliner, I only literally just do it on the outer edge, like I don't bring the line all the way to my inner corner. But when you're wearing falsies, it's always best to kind of line underneath the false lashes, basically along your top waterline, so that it kind of blends the gap in, because when you stick your falsies on, there's still a small gap. I'm a big fan of mascara, so I like put that on, whether it's my normal lash or my bottom lash or my top lash. I just pack it on. It looks cute anyway. It goes along with the dolly effect. Time for the final product, and that is setting spray. I'm using Urban Decay because that's the only one I have. I usually use MAC. For some reason, Urban Decay's setting spray is just, it has a weird smell. Does anyone else agree with that? Like, does anyone else notice that? Just retouching up the freckles, and then I realized that this actually wasn't the last step. I ended up going in with my lip product. I completely forgot that I didn't do my lips. I am using a water lip stain. Is that even a thing? I'm using a lip stain. This is Clarins, yep, water lip stain. I said it correct, in the color orange. And I'm going for a gradient look. So I'm just putting it in the center of my lips, the inner center of my lips, and then brushing it out, and then basically going and then yeah, just building up the color, and then adding my lip oil on top to finish it off. And I don't know why I finished the sentence like that, but yeah, time for, let's see what I'm gonna do. Back in with the blush basically. I should be doing my hair now, but there it is. I'm going in with my hair. I know it looks a little greasy, but I've been trying to use coconut oil on my hair. I think I used the wrong one, but I've been using coconut oil, conditioner, leave-in conditioners and hair masks, and just trying to see what will help my split ends and my roots. So if you have any recommendations, hit me up, let me know, because a girl needs it. My hair is like splitting 5-way. Guys, here's my surprise. It's coming up. Look, 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 look what I got. Fringe! Oh my days, I don't think you guys understand how long I've been dying to get this. I got it, it's from eBay, and like I've been always wanting one of these little clip-on fringes. I just wanted to see what I look like, and now look where I am. I'm here making a video with a fringe look. Don't it look so real? I must admit though, I did mess up a little bit. It wasn't, can you see the fringe bit, right? It's gone a bit crinkly. I straightened it, forgetting that it's technically plastic, and it basically like crimpled up like plastic would, and all I wanted was to have like a really nice curl at the front, but it just went, look, it sways, it just sways right, but it's still so cute. Oh my days, guys, I am so happy. Okay, now for the final look. I am basically finished. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Pew. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.